Hey guys, it's Junie the Orange Huntress, and today I'm going to show you how to make whiskey mushroom sauce. You're going to need 3/4 cup or 1 medium diced onion. Slice up 400 grams of your choice of mushrooms. 1 tablespoon of fresh rosemary, minced to perfection. And of course, 1 venison backstrap taken out of the fridge early, cut into manageable pieces, and salt and peppered. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in your pan and sear each side of your meat for 2 to 3 minutes. Lightly cover with foil and let rest for 10 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of salted butter along with your diced onions, your sliced mushrooms, rosemary, and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. After about 10 or so minutes, your mushrooms should look like this. Then add 1 tablespoon of grainy mustard, 1.25 cups of heavy cream, and 2 tablespoons of whiskey. Simmer on low for 2 to 3 minutes to marry the flavors and get it a little bit thicker. Slice up your backstrap and add your beautiful sauce. There you have it, nice and simple whiskey mushroom sauce for your venison. I hope you guys enjoy. I'll catch you next week.